CityFibre is investing £4 billion and creating over 10,000 construction jobs to build a new full fibre network. This network will transform towns and cities across the UK into the best digitally connected communities. It will power smart cities, support 5G rollouts, and give residents, businesses and public services access to the fastest and most reliable internet connections. A full fibre network gives us all a boost. Experts say it will make us more productive, more innovative, and bring more economic benefits. What does it take to make it all happen? CityFibre uses ring-based core architecture. This is a series of connected rings which gives resiliency, increased performance, and fewer faults compared to traditional tree and branch architecture. At the centre of our network is the Fibre Exchange, or FEX. These are inside an unmarked warehouse or as a standalone secure container. At first glance, they look a bit like a shipping container, but don't be fooled. Each one is a state-of-the-art climate and security-controlled environment, serving as the heart and brain of every network we build. Every FEX can power and connect up to 60,000 premises across a town or city. This means we need fewer exchange buildings and use less energy to deliver higher speed benefits, unlike old-fashioned copper telephone exchanges. In fact, our FEXs are setting new benchmarks for efficiency and capacity. The FEX connects full fibre optical cables to the primary nodes. These are arranged in groups of 480 properties and hidden away underground. Then it's on to the secondary node. You'll find these on top of an existing aerial or as small cabinets in your street. Let's take a look inside a cabinet. The final connection point in the network is a Toby box found in the pavement or a drop wire on a nearby pole. When a resident or business is ready to take a service from their chosen internet service provider, we'll connect the full fibre network to a wall box outside their property. This wall box connects to an ONT box inside the home, which connects to the router. That's how we get full fibre direct to the premises, every step along the way. So, how do we build our network? Well, it starts with conversations. We work closely with local authorities, engaging 6 to 9 months before build to make sure we plan thoroughly and know the local landscape in detail. We also collaborate with local authorities and other community stakeholders throughout the project lifecycle. Our robust communications program reaches out to residents, informing them, answering questions, and getting them excited about full fibre coming to their area. We're clear and transparent about any disruption our build program will cause. We spread the word by using a mix of door knocking, when possible, leaflet and letter drops, plus advertising, news and social media activity. Then it's on to the build. Our well-planned city methodology means we aim to build once and build right. We do more than just a light overlay of fibre to upgrade homes or not spots. We build for the whole city, street by street. CityFibre uses a hybrid approach to build our networks, using existing ducts and poles whenever possible. It's about choosing the most reliable, practical and least disruptive option on a street-by-street basis. Our hybrid approach means a faster build, a lower carbon footprint, lower deployment costs and fewer resident complaints. When we cannot use existing infrastructure, we'll build our own. We sometimes dig narrow trenches, usually in the pavement, and lay the fibre optic cables and protective ducting into the trench. The build time depends on the size of the area and the construction method. It often only takes 2 to 3 days outside each individual home, and residents will have access whenever they need it. And we make sure we put everything back just as it was, relaying slabs, covering with tarmac, adding topsoil, so it's as good as new. Then we feed the cables through and connect them to the nearest cabinet or aerial secondary node before extending the fibre to their home through the small wall box or aerial cable. And that's it, a gigabit-ready street in a gigabit city. And the most important thing, 100% full fibre delivering gigabit speed connection every step of the way. Learn more about our full fibre network expansion at cityfibre.com.